be honest, I hadn't heard a lot about multi-panel up until about a year ago. I mean, as a designer, I'm using tiles and paint a lot in bathrooms. But when I'm starting to look at trends, you know, multi-panel is cropping up time and time again. So I kind of went in and found out what they were about, had a look. I came up to the showroom and I loved what I was seeing. So when they invited me to have my own collection, I was absolutely thrilled and jumped at the opportunity. It's just a wonderful surface for bathrooms, especially in 2018, when we're looking for a bespoke look and a quality that just answers to you. You know, your bespoke bathroom, it's terribly important. We had a big bathroom project on 60-minute makeover, and as you can imagine, working on that program, you have to work super fast and be very efficient. So we used the panels on a lady's bathroom and it looked beautiful, and more importantly, she was so happy with it. It looked great. When it came to starting my own collection, I needed to use the textures and the colours that I naturally work with. So I'm always looking at stone and marble, wood, those kind of very strong textures. And we got a very beautiful collection together quite quickly, but they have the feel of and texture of marble, of wood, of granite and concrete. Beautiful finishes.